Expressions containing exponents. Expressions containing exponents are those algebraic expressions in which at least one of the numbers is raised by a given power. In these expressions, powers are calculated first, as they have a higher order of priority than multiplications and divisions, and obviously of addition and subtractions. Let's consider an example in this regard. Example: calculate the value of the expression shown on screen. Solution: as we explained, the terms containing exponents are calculated first. Since the two powers are not consecutive, we can calculate them simultaneously. We have the following shown on screen. Now, we continue with the rest as in the previous examples: multiplications and divisions first, then additions and subtractions. We have the following. That is all for lesson 1.4.4. To continue this tutorial, please watch 1.4.5, Expressions Containing Brackets. PEMDAS rule. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.